Derek with the Eliminex. That's a squirrel. So he's just hanging out there. He blends right in. You wouldn't even think, if you look up, you wouldn't even think there's a squirrel there. Hey, buddy. Ah. And then another one ran, so they're just hanging out in these trash cans. Just climb the trees. Oh wow, he's really hiding. You wouldn't even see him. You wouldn't even notice him. He blends right in. Wow. Psst, psst. Oh yeah, they hide behind other. Probably he sees me and then he hides on another part of the tree. Yeah. So I'm setting out traps. So two ran away. See, the trash cans don't close all the way, so they just hang out. And they even chewed on the bottom. Yeah. See, they chewed up the lids and everything. Yeah, oh yeah, you see droppings everywhere. See these droppings all over. Wow, they're just hanging out. Yeah, this guy's got to come through. You see all the droppings everywhere. Little turds. Man, I could probably just put all the traps here, but that is the oh well, no, everybody's keeping the trash cans. Everybody's keeping the trash cans on the side. I thought they're not allowed to do that. Oh boy. Oh well. I gotta figure this out. So it's attracting the squirrels, but yeah. My warranty is only going to cover, the squirrels getting in the house. So, but yeah, see all these droppings everywhere. So I'm setting out these traps. They're humane traps. I had another video where I put the traps in the attic as well, just for peace of mind for the client. And I come every day and remove the traps and replace them. Just keep catching. Who knows how many I'm going to catch. But by then we'll know. Probably in a couple weeks we'll be 100% sure both units will be clear of squirrels at that time, and then I'll start doing the repairs, and hopefully before March I can finish this job. Tighten up these soffits. They're really popping out because, well, I think a tree hit that one. But that needs to be all seamed up because they could just squeeze right in that corner over there. They made a hole. So I'm putting out these traps in good faith. I didn't have a signed agreement or a deposit yet on this property, but the other one's so good to go. So I'm just going to get ahead and get started and give a couple more days before I start going after, start expediting this agreement.